Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna Rajaputra with today's topic direct and indirect speech for class 6 state syllabus. Here, let us learn direct and indirect speech. In this sentence, Bhimrao went to a man there and said that we are very thirsty. Please give us some water. Here you can see the sentence. Bhimrao went to a man there and said, we are very thirsty, please give us some water. In this sentence, the words that are within the inverted commas, that is, we are very thirsty, please give us some water, are the actual words of Bhimrao. So it is called direct speech. I once again repeat. Bhimrao went to a man there and said, we are very thirsty, please give us some water. In this sentence, the words that are in inverted commas, that is from here to here, we are very thirsty, please give us some water, are the actual words of Bhimrao. So the sentence is called direct speech. When the words are told by someone to some other person as shown below, it is called indirect speech or reported speech. The same sentence you can see here. See, this sentence is told by someone to some other person that Bhimrao went to a man there and said that they were very thirsty and requested him to give them some water. This is indirect speech. That is, it is also called reported speech. Here are some examples. Direct speech. Harika said, I am reading. Indirect speech. We have to write indirect speech. Harika said that she was reading. This is indirect speech. Now, one more example. Anita said, I am reading. I am reading. Indirect speech. Anita said that she was eating. I once again repeat. Anita said, I am eating. That is, this is direct speech. This is indirect speech. Anita said that she was eating. One more example. Mohan said, I am going. This is direct speech. Now, indirect speech. I am writing. Mohan said that he was going. Mohan said that he was going is indirect speech. Then one more example. I am writing. This is direct speech. Now indirect speech. He said that he was writing. He said that he was writing. Next, one more example. That is direct speech. I am drinking water. Indirect speech. He said that he was drinking water. This is indirect speech. Now change the conversation between Swapna and Kusma into indirect speech. Kusma is saying, are you still working on the project on Ambedkar? This is a direct speech. Now I am writing indirect speech. Kusuma asked Swapna whether she was still working on the project on Ambedkar. I once again repeat. Are you still working on the project on Ambedkar? This is direct speech. Now this one is indirect speech. Kusma asked Swapna whether she was still working on the project on Ambedkar. This is indirect speech. Next, Swapna, I have already completed that project. Now indirect speech. This is I have already completed that project is in direct speech. Now I am writing the indirect speech. Swapna replied that she had already completed that project. I will read once again. Swapna, direct speech. I have already completed that project. Indirect speech. Swapna replied that she had already completed that project. Now one more conversation. Kusma, what are you doing now? This is in direct speech. Now I am writing in indirect speech. Kusuma asked Swapna what she was doing then. I once again repeat. Kusuma, what are you doing now? This is in direct speech. Now I am writing it indirect. Now I have already written this in indirect speech. Kusuma asked Swapna what she was doing then. Next, Swapna, I am working on some other project on Vallabhbhai Patel. This is in direct speech. Now I am writing in indirect speech. Swapna said that she was working on some other project on Vallabhbhai Patel. Once again I will repeat. Here Swapna's dialogue. I am working on some other project on Vallabhbhai Patel. This is in direct speech. Now this one is in indirect speech which I am reading. Swapna said that she was working on some other project on Vallabhbhai Patel. Hope you all understood direct and indirect speech. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching my video. Please do watch all my playlists.